Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 6 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2554. Maximum number of integers to choose from a range. Okay, so in this problem you are given an integer array band, okay, and two integers n and maxsum. Alright, you are choosing some number of integers following the below rules. Okay, the chosen integers have to be in range 1 to n. Okay, so here n is equal to 5, so we can choose numbers from 1 to 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. These are the only options that we have. Okay, each integer can be chosen at most once. Okay, so we are going to choose all the numbers at most once. Okay, we are not going to use any integer two times. All right, the chosen integers should not be in the array band. Okay, so 1 6 and 5. Okay, so I'm not going to use that. I'm not going to use this 1, I'm not going to use this 5, and 6 we are not taking it. Okay, because range is this one. All right, this is done, this is done, this is done. Okay, the sum of chosen integers should not exceed max sum. Okay, so the numbers which are going to choose, it should not exceed the max sum. Okay, 6 value. Okay, we have to turn the maximum number of integers you can choose following the mentioned rules. Okay, so maximum number of integers. Okay, so first I'm going to, definitely I have to choose the maximum number of integers, so I'm going to start from the minimum value. Okay, I can't start from the highest value, I have to start from the minimum value first. Okay, because I have to choose the maximum number of integers. So let's choose this 2. Now let's choose this 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so I have added two numbers. As of now there are two numbers that I'm using, 2 3. Okay, after that 4 comes. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 9. Okay, now it exceeds maximum. Okay, but we can use this 2 and 3. Okay, so my output is going to be 2, right? So these are the maximum number of integers that I'm using. Okay, 2 and 3. And I'm not exceeding the maximum. Okay, so it is not mandatory that I have to make the sum equal to 6. Okay, it is not mandatory. So what is mandatory? The sum of chosen integers should not exceed maximum. That's it. Okay, so let's become a little bit greedy here. Okay, I'm talking about greedy approach, right? I'm starting from the minimum value first. Okay, and then I'm adding the next minimum value, and then I'm going to add the next minimum value. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Okay, so 1 to 8 we have to choose the numbers, and maximum should not exceed 1. Okay, so 1 to 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and these numbers should not be in band, so I can't use any of these numbers. Okay, and 8, can I use 8? No, it is directly going to exceed maximum, so output is 0. All right, and here 1 to 7 are the numbers that I'm going to choose, right? And I can't use 11. Okay, 11 is not there itself. Okay, and we have to add the numbers such that our sum should not exceed this maximum. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, 21 plus 7 28. Okay, that's it. So we are going to choose all these 7 numbers, so output is 7. That's it. Okay, now let's move to the coding part. So this problem is very easy. Okay, so let's use set. Okay, so that we don't need to search for the numbers. Okay, if my this number is there in my set, okay, I'm directly not going to use that. Okay, in the band, so let's store band numbers in the hash set. Okay, so set of integer, and let's name it as band set is equal to new hash set. All right, this is done. And now after that, let's iterate over all the numbers in my band array. So for int num in my band array, okay, I'm just going to add the numbers in my band set. Okay, band set dot add all these numbers one by one. All right, and now after that we have to track the count of the valid numbers we can choose. Okay, so int count is equal to 0. All right, then we have to try each number from 1 to n. Okay, we have to become greedy, so for that purpose I'm just going to write for int num is equal to 1, num is less than equal to n, and here I'm just going to increment the my num plus plus. All right, and inside this we have to check few conditions, like we have to skip the band numbers. So here what I'm going to write, if band set dot contains num. Okay, if my band set contains this number, okay, then in that case we have to simply continue. Then we are not going to use that particular number, right? So that is why we have to just continue. Okay, and also we have to return if adding current number exceeds maximum. So we have to just return from there. Okay, so here I'm just going to write if max sum minus num, max sum minus of num is less than 0, then in that case we have to simply return the count that we have stored. Okay, and otherwise we are just going to include the numbers. Okay, so I have to decrement the my maximum as maximum minus num. All right, and here we have to just increment the count plus plus, that's it. And in the end we have to just return the count. Okay, okay, so all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity for this problem is going to be of n, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.